Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is unconditional love. So, unconditional love is pure love. It is the kind of love that expects nothing in return and it's not based on merit, performance, or worthiness. It is love rooted in God's very nature, eternal, sacrificial, and steadfast. So, ayon po sa 1 John chapter 4 verse 9 to 10, this is how God showed His love among us. He sent His one and only Son into the world that we might live through Him. This is love, not that we love God, but that He loved us and sent His Son as an atoning sacrifice for our sins. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, so, unconditional love is pure. Love is investing without expecting ROI. So, ang totoong pag-ibig ay parang investment na hindi naghihintay ng balik o kapalit. Hindi ito give and take na may sukatan. You love because you choose to, not because you expect something in return. Next is, pure love does not diminish due to failure. So, ang tunay na pag-ibig ay hindi nababawasan kahit may pagkukulang o pagkakamali ang minamahal mo. Hindi ito nakabase sa performance or perfection. Kahit madapa, kahit pagkamali, patuloy pa rin ang pagmamahal. And pure love can only be outsourced from Christ. So, ang ganitong klaseng pag-ibig ay hindi natin kayang gawin mag-isa. It only comes from Jesus Christ. Siyang pinagmulan ng ganap at dalisay na pag-ibig. Kung nagtatayo kay Christ, doon magmahal ng tunay. And sa applications naman po, love unconditionally and always win. So, kapag nagmahal ka ng walang kondisyon, panalo ka lagi. Hindi dahil perfect ang sitwasyon, kundi dahil napili mong magmahal gaya ni Christ. Love despite evil intent and behavior. So, mahirap ang mahal ng taong masama ang ugali o intention. Pero ang ito, ang essence ng Christ-like love. You love not because they are lovable, but because Christ loved them too. And next is love from the very heart of Christ. So, huwag lang magmahal gamit ang sariling puso. Love using the heart of Christ, a heart that forgives, understands, and gives grace. And ay lang po, maraming salamat.